All right, so this is the inside of your cockpit on your boat. This is the deck on your boat. So here's some of the material, the half round rubber. So the first thing I do is I mark underneath the rubber where my line is going to need to be. It doesn't have to be a continuous line, but you have a line there. Then I get my welt, newfangled stapler with a safety on it. All right, and I put it to where the line, basically I'm going to come right there. All right, can you see right there? That's where my piping is going to be. Piping or welt. And you get that as straight as you can. All right. The next, I put on my vinyl, and you can feel where the welt is. And use this staple strip so that you get a nice continuous, when you fold this vinyl over, you get a nice continuous edge instead of a whole bunch of stapled edges. And you can feel where that needs to go. Then you put your rubber in, your half round rubber. And you can see the look that you get down here. And you staple it on your decks. You know, and you may want to pull it tight. You'll have to get the feel of what the tightness is. Then you cut off your excess. With your razor knife. And then you put your Hidem on. And the Hidem hides your staples. These long snotted staplers are very handy for this operation. Voila, your crash rail is applied. So when you get to the corners, I'd start in the center, work your way out. When you get to the corners, you have to kind of stretch this stuff in all directions. You're going to end up with wrinkles in the corners. But and a lot of times when I'm putting the Hidem on, I'll put a staple at one end, I'll put a staple at the far end, and then I'll come back and I'll put some tape down so I know what my straight edge is, and I'll come back and try to get a straight edge when I'm stapling. But there you go. So that's how easy it is.